How to fix can't use this folder to protect your privacy. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, let's go to the settings of the device and then scroll down and tap on apps, then tap on manage apps. After that, just wait for a while to scroll down and find the files application over here, file manager. Then tap on clear data at the bottom right corner, then tap on clear cache and OK. Now go back and scroll down and tap on this application called Jar. So it's tap on clear all data and tap on OK. After that, go back and your issue will be solved. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, then don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.